Hello guys, and welcome to this English course on nouns. In today's video, we're going to talk about singular and plural nouns. When you speak English, it is very important to know the difference between a singular noun and a plural noun. Okay, so I will explain to you the different rules and we will practice together. Let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing you need to know is that a singular noun means one. So, for example, I can say cat, a cat or one cat. School, a school, one school. Team, now don't forget, team is a collective noun. It's a group of people, but still, it is a singular noun. We talk about a team or one team. Lady, monkey, tomato, a tomato, one tomato, or piano. Now, if we talk about plural nouns, it means more than one. So, for example, 2, 3, 4, or many. If we take our words again, a cat becomes cats. 2 cats, 3 cats, many cats. School becomes schools. Team becomes teams. Okay, so you just add an S. Now, lady becomes ladies. Monkey becomes monkeys. But 2 different rules. As you can see, lady is consonant Y. Now, when you have consonant Y in an English word, the plural will be I-E-S. Lady, ladies. But when you have vowel Y, like monkey, it just becomes monkeys. You simply add an S. Okay, monkey becomes monkeys. Tomato becomes tomatoes, piano, pianos. Again, 2 different rules. Now, tomato becomes tomatoes, you add ES. And with most words ending in O, so consonant O, you will add ES. But sometimes you will only add S, like piano, pianos. There is no particular rule for this, you just need to know the words that only end with an S. Okay, let's move on to some pronunciation now. So, when it comes to pronunciation, we have 3 different sounds. The first sound is S. The second sound is Z. And the third sound is. So let's review some words together and be really careful. What sound do you hear? Cats. Cats. What can you hear? S. Can you repeat after me? Cats. Cats. The second word is schools. Schools. What sound can you hear? Of course, Z. Repeat after me. Schools. Schools. The third word is teams. What sound can you hear? Again, Z. Repeat after me. Teams. Teams. Then we have ladies. Ladies. Z. Repeat after me. Ladies. Ladies. Then monkeys. Z. Again. Repeat after me. Monkeys. Monkeys. Then we have tomatoes. Again is the Z sound. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. And finally, pianos. Z. Pianos. Pianos. Let's move on to other rules now. Okay guys, let's now talk about nouns that end in S, SH, X, CH or Z. Now to make the plural form of these nouns, you will add ES and the sound will be is. Let's review some words together. Bus becomes buses. Bush, bushes. Fox, foxes. Beach, beaches. Quiz, quizzes. Can you repeat after me? Buses, buses. Bushes, bushes. Foxes, foxes. Beaches, beaches. Quizzes, quizzes. Let's move on. Okay guys, moving on to nouns ending in F or FE. For example, roof becomes roofs. Safe, safes. So you simply add an S. Then we have leaf that becomes leaves. Wait a minute, what happened? Well, yeah, sometimes in English, a word ending in F becomes a word ending in VES in plural. That's not a rule, but some words end in VES, you just have to learn them, I'm afraid. Another word, wife, and again, VES, wives. Shelf, shelves, again, this VES ending. Now let's focus on pronunciation. Roofs, so it's an S sound. Can you repeat after me? Roofs, roofs. Good job. Safes, safes. Have you heard the S sound? Safes. Then we have leaves, and this time it's a Z sound. Repeat after me. Leaves, leaves. Great. Moving on. Wives, wives. And finally, shelves, shelves. Great job, guys. Let's move on to practice now. Well, students, let's now practice together. I'm going to give you a singular noun and I want you to try and find the plural form of this singular noun. Okay? Let's give it a try. The first word is baby. Baby. Don't forget, it ends with consonant Y. Do you remember the rule? It's babies with I-E-S. Very nice. Baby, babies. The second word is toy. Vowel Y. So this time, toys, you simply add an S. Then we have wish. Wish is a word that ends in SH. Remember the rule. Wishes, you add ES. Taxi becomes taxis. You simply add an S. Choice, choices. Simply add an S as well. Then we have the word wolf. Aha! It's a word ending in F. Is it a word with VES? It is. wolves. And finally, photo. Now remember the words ending in O? You can add ES or simply S. Well, with photo, you simply add an S. Photos. Now if we focus on pronunciation now, repeat the words after me. Babies. The sound is Z. Babies. Toys. Toys. Wishes. Remember this is sound? Repeat after me. Wishes. Taxis. Taxis. Choices. Choices. Wolves. Wolves. And finally, photos. Photos. Excellent job, guys. Now let's move on to some example sentences. I have some example sentences for you guys using singular and plural nouns. I'd like you to repeat the sentences after me and be really careful to use proper pronunciation. Let's get started. First, I want a dog. I like dogs. Repeat after me, guys. I want a dog. I like dogs. The second sentence. I don't want a fox. I don't like foxes. After me, guys. I don't want a fox. I don't like foxes. Great! Moving on to the third sentence. I bought a watch. I have many watches. Repeat after me. I bought a watch. I have many watches. Good job! Sentence 4 now. I have a new stereo. Now I have 2 stereos. After me. I have a new stereo. Now I have 2 stereos. Excellent! And finally, there's a knife. There are 6 knives in the kitchen. Repeat after me. There's a knife. There are 6 knives in the kitchen. Amazing job, guys! Very nice! I hope this has helped. I hope you now understand better singular and plural nouns in English. Now, I haven't talked about all the pronunciation rules, but I hope you have a good sense now of how to pronounce plural forms. Make sure you watch my next video if you want to know more about nouns in English. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you've liked this video, please show me your support. Click like, subscribe to the channel, put your comments below and share the video. See you!